Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to fix the HomePod won't log into HomePod account. Okay, so let's get started. The fix number one is check the Wi-Fi connection on your iPhone or iPad. Open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Press and hold the Home on icon. Tap on Settings. Check the Wi-Fi address to see if the HomePod is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. Fix number two is sign out and back into the HomePod account. Open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Press the and hold the HomePod icon. Tap on settings. Scroll down and tap on the icon settings. Tap on sign out and follow the prompts to sign out. After signing out, sign back in with your Apple ID and the password. The fix number three is update iCloud password on the iPhone or HomePod on your iPhone. Open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the name at the top of the screen. Select password and security. Tap on change password and follow the prompts to update your iPhone password. HomePod. Open the Home app on your iPhone. Press and hold the HomePod icon. Under the music and the forecasts, select the account currently logged in. Sign out from your Apple Music account. Sign in with your new iCloud account credentials. Fix number four is reset the HomePod. Unplug the HomePod. Plug it back in. Press and hold the top touch panel until you hear the three beeps. Hold your iPhone or iPad near the HomePod to set up it the new Apple ID. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye.